Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound and GrayManPrepping. We just dropped a video on working on the irrigation system for the garden and orchard here. And one of the things we used on it was this little gem here. This is a this is by Element. It's a Soaker Pro system. It's a great kit. Comes with a whole bunch of attachments. Let me see if I can get these up here so you can see them. Comes with all these sorts of attachments and stuff. We had two of these. We used one, and we used some other 50-foot hoses that we had bought. And it's all explained in the video, but this was absolutely great. With all the pieces in it, what we have left over is one male, one female, an end cap. Got 5 of the T's. I don't have any of the hose adapters to it. Basically, it's like a teal, and it's got a garden hose thread on it. Those are all in use. And anything else I got? Yeah, so basically, it's all in use out there, and it's working great. If you're going to be putting something in like we did here, check out the video. I'll put the link for it down below in the description. And I may put it up in the corner up here, so you can go check it out as well. Of all the 50-footers I got, I really should have been getting a couple of these. These has a 100-foot hose in it. Same price as 2 50-footers, plus you get all of those attachments on it. So you can do all sorts of different things to it as well. So if you're going to be doing anything with soaker hose in your garden or orchard, this is probably the best thing we've seen yet so far. All right, take care, and I will see you around.